uh, is a keypad phone. When there is a lock on your keypad phone which you wanted to flash and you are finding difficult to flash it, just on the phone and you see a password to lock there which you are finding difficult to flash. See, wrong password, wrong password. Now, what I wanted to do is that better come to your PC. And this my PC. Just come and then make sure sorry, my PC is not all that clear. You need to see. Okay, yes, I hope now it's okay. Come and install flashtool version 5.13 on your laptop, and I hope by then you have already been downloaded it from your website. Now make sure you launch it, install it, and launch it properly. And I hope now is installed. Now, as far as you install it, you need to see all this. Using an Android phone, you use scatter file, the authentication file, what is certificate file, what the root set file. Now, here we have the download agent, scatter file, and then a lot, whatever you wanted to do using this flashtool. But when you want to flash a keypad password lock, just start and press on the format button, then you see reset to factory default. We have a format, we have the total format, and then we just set it to restart to factory default. After that, you make sure you plug your USB cable. Here is mine, and now after plugging, but you need to know the boot keys of your keypad. That's the chipset of your keypad. Then after that, you need to uh, follow the instructions on your PC. Now you can see that there is, you set it to where, after you set it to the reset to factory default, you now come and then you press OK. Now after pressing OK, it started reading. Now you remove battery and set it back. Now my boot key is just the middle of the phone, so I'm going to hold my boot key tightly and insert my USB cable. Now it started reading on my laptop, and I realized that it said okay, last action was done at, you see they give you the time and everything of it is reset. So after you see this notification, it means your phone is well flashed. Then you can remove your charger, turn, remove your battery off, you can plug it back and on your phone, and let's see whether it will still be the lock or it's flash. You subscribe to my YouTube channel and as well you like it for me. Now your phone is flash. So now after you want to clear off the factory default, you press star hash 12345 hash. You see they give me an option. Do you want to clean all the test data? You press either the yes or he. Press it. Your phone will reboot and meaning your phone is well flash. Now my phone is flash. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.